Today we're doing the Del Mar Mesa Preserve. I'm gonna show CeeLo's the tunnel. Let's roll.
They use only.
Chale, not us, huh?
Say they use only. We're looking for some churros right here. The little guys in the bike.
We're about to hit the tunnel. Vamos. Oh shit. You're like, I'm gonna find it. Like, what was that?
You wanna go back?
Right here's where you wanna go back?
Oh, we went past this. It's getting like
More enclosed, yeah? That's what I'm telling you, like. Está cabrón, eh? Dale, a ver qué pedo, dale.
what? You wanna go more?
Yeah, we got the lights anyways. It's just a little bit further. Yeah, it's just a little cut, and then we're like, all right. Yeah, you're our spider eliminator. Fucking, we're at the fucking Del Mar Preserve section, going down tunnel number 4. That's what it was called, huh? Carlos felt brave, so. Hey man, I didn't want to come. Did you want to come? Because we know. But he doesn't know, so he wanted to check it out.
It doesn't stop, dude. It's telling you. It never ends.
Well, we don't know how far it goes, bro, but...
Hey, we're not going to hell, are we?
A la madre.
It doesn't come on the map, either.
Doesn't it? It doesn't? I thought I seen it, but like I said, it's just... I don't know. I can't tell whether it's going up or down.
Oh, it's not going down.
Oh, no, yeah. This one keeps... That one just continues going down.
Yeah, I think that's it, no?
Your call, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's not. We're not going to get anywhere near to finding out how.
No, we walk more than this. We're still got more to go.
It's just.
Go all the way down to the.
Yeah.
It keeps on going.
And it's just closed, fool.
I need to go see what's over there.
Ándale, pues. Yeah, dog.
Fucking love guy.
Fuck it, you know. Hey, I appreciate the adventure, Trent. You know me. But like, we know better. Well, not really, because if we did, we wouldn't continue on. Still looking for the spiders, though. That's what I'm worried about.
What do you think?
What do you say? You still going? Oh yeah. He's still going, fool.
I know.
Yeah, it doesn't. It just keeps going. That's why it's called a tunnel.
Still going?
Well, yeah, he's still going. Yeah, ahora sí?
Yeah, that's it. I don't know where it's gonna go.
Yeah, it just keeps going, dude.
Let's put a mark right here.
So you go in the front, I'm in the center, and then cause I ain't trying to fuck with the spiders.
Mark it.
Oh, you wanted to mark it?
Mark it where we ended up last time.
Oh yeah.
Over here with this one. You know, this is the cut up one.
What, the cocaine on the tree?
Yeah. With the little.
So next time, you know there's cocaine on trees everywhere in this fucking place, right?
With the diamond.
It's fucking San Diego, bro.
Wait, somebody. What?
Alright. Let's exit this shit. How'd you like the tunnel? How far you think we went in? We gotta count how many clicks we went in? Oh shit. Bike.
Go.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Oh, hello.
how you doing? I got a spider in my hand. No, there is, but it's far. I need bicycle lessons. I hope so, bro. I hope so. I know.
Go behind you guys?
Well, I got this light. Oh, you got no service? Oh shit. This is why we gotta get like some kind of fucking radios or something, bro. Let's get some more fucking. We fuck around and one of those breaks ourselves, we gotta carry them. Oh shit. That was cool, huh? Here, fucking chingas up on, I have a spider on me. That's all I care about. That and mountain lions. And lot lizards. Lot lizards.
What do you think about this one? Crazy, huh? Yeah.
Alright.
I got like at least 10 curves.
10 curves? I like curves, but damn.
Not too bad, you can bring your horse in there, dude. Your what?
Your horse? Made it out the tunnel.
Oh.
Looks like a, ¿qué dijimos? A fire pit? Or the bikes do that turn around. Pinche lucecita vale verga. I know. It's got the falling trees.
Big husky walking.
Big husky. You spotted a big husky.
I'm not running. That's my logo.
Yeah, this little light I thought was gonna kick ass. Doesn't do much.
That's good. That's sexy, dude.
I know, huh?
I like these trees.
It's a time we take a moment to appreciate the small things. Alright, I'm getting sappy again. I'm gonna stop.